Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and much more stylish ideas. Some ideas: fine hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, and trendy collection of messy hairstyles, and different ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, and the latest type of cut. Choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and so beautiful collection of hair dye, and so attractive collection of burgundy color, blonde color, some ideas in funky colors, so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, and much more latest and beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.